A senior US economist has said China's economy started the year on a positive note, with the country capable of maintaining steady, healthy growth despite headwinds.
To see investment growing that strongly, especially investment in the higher tech sectors, is a great sort of support for future growth this year. I think the macro picture is good because the investment rate in GDP is still very high. It's still over 40%. And that's excellent if you can combine it with some strong demand. I think it's just a very strong performance that promises to continue going forward.
The Economist, previously a senior fellow at the Atlantic Council, a US think tank, said China's already strong investment levels across the board, combined with its continuous efforts to shore up demand, is just a good strong formula for growth.
We're seeing there's going to be stimulus in the economy, both fiscal, even if the national budget figure seems to be moderate, there's a lot of other additional factors going on, including at the local level for fiscal stimulus. And then there's been some easing on the financial sector. So I think that increase in demand support, combined with the already strong investment levels across the board, that's just a good, strong formula.
Official data showed in mid-March the Chinese economy sustained a steady recovery in the first 2 months, with major production and demand indicators reporting sound year-on-year growth.